सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में। और आप लोगों ने देखा स्टॉक टू वॉच टुडे जान 12 TCS, HCL Tech, DMart, IREDA, Vedanta. Stock to watch January 12, 2026. Stock like TCS, HCL Technologies, Anand Rathi Wealth and Infibeam Avenues will remain in focus as they will release their quarterly earning today. Stock to watch today Monday, January 12, 2026. Indian equity benchmark indices are likely to witness a flat start on Monday, amid raising the geopolitical tensions and the president concerned over US tariff. At 7:15 a.m., GIF Nifty Futures will trading at 25,798 points, down 18 points or 0.07%. Asian markets are trading on Monday, tracking gain on Wall Street after a US jobs report show a decline in the unemployment rate, highlighting strength in the labor market. Investors are also watching oil price closely as protest in Iran entered a third week. Last check, Japan Nikkei 2225 index was trading 1.61% higher. South Korea's KOSPI was up 1.24% and Hong Kong Hang Seng Index was up 0.55%. On Friday, US equity markets settled higher following largely began employment data that showed job addition came in slightly below expectation, while the unemployment rate edged down to 4.4%. The S&P 500 rose 0.60%, the Nasdaq Composite gained 0.81%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.48%. Also, read TCS Q3 financial year 2026 result. Revenue increased 0.9 to 67.087 crore. Dividend declared. Here are the key stock to watch today, January 12, 2026 Q3 result today. Tata Consultancy Service, TCS, HCL Technologies, and Rathi Wealth and Maharashtra Scooter, Infibeam Avenues, Krishna Foschemes, GTPL, Headway, Lotus Chocolate Company, Premier Polyfilms, Ireda, Agrotech, Gujarat Hotel, and Continental Security will announce their December quarter earnings today. Thank you.